Hey guys, today I'm going to be combining these two things, that's right, pumpkin and brownie mix to make an incredible pumpkin brownie. This thing is delicious, it's chocolatey, it's so easy. It's got pumpkin running right through it, it's got pumpkin spice, it's got broken up cookies inside it. It's an absolute delight of a dessert and I'm going to show you how to make it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get into the recipe. Now the first thing we're going to do is to make our brownie mix. Of course we're going to take a shortcut and use our Bosch brownie mix. But you can use any recipe you like. Make about 1 kilogram and then pour half of that into a square tin. That is gonna form the base of your brownie, and then we're gonna add some crushed up Oreos because we're a bit crazy like that. Now put to one side. Add your pumpkin puree, half a can to a bowl, and then we're gonna add a really nice tasting vegan cream cheese, some sugar, and some pumpkin spice. You can find that in supermarkets or make your own. Whisk that all together until it's really well mixed. Give it a taste, because this is going to affect the flavour of your brownies. Add a touch more sugar if you like. Now take that pumpkin mix and put that all over the top of your brownies. You can either make a nice layer, like I'm going to do here, or you can actually leave it in pockets to surprise people as they eat through this lovely, lovely brownie. And then of course we're gonna top it off with the remaining brownie mixture. We put half in first, we saved half for later. That is now our brownie complete. To top it off, we're gonna add a little bit of Biscoff spread, which has been softened for about 10 or 15 seconds in a microwave. It's absolutely delicious. It's got this incredible caramel flavor, and also it's going to give us a really nice thing to just mess around with. And you can see we can get this beautiful marbling effect using a skewer and making some lines. Add some vegan chocolate chips and then pop that in the oven, and it's going to come out looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Super spooky, super Halloweeny. Very, very happy with this. Now, you could add a little bit more pumpkin spice. That's gonna go really nice, dusted over the top. And perhaps some vegan edible eyes. They just make everything look spooky. And combined with those Oreos, it looks like an evil face. There you have it, our pumpkin pie brownies. Super spooky, super Halloweeny, and absolutely delicious. Let's see what Ian thinks. Ian, pumpkin pie brownie, mate.
Oh, it can't be bad, can it, really?
Yeah, you got your shirt on and everything.
Yeah, I know, yeah, it made the effort for today, especially.
Wow.
Here we go, let's have a little taste. So what we got in here then, man?
So in here you have 2 layers of Bosch brownie mix, but of course you can use any brownie mix, or our recipe for PBJ brownies would work too. And in the middle we've got a creamed pumpkin layer mixed with vegan cream cheese, our own pumpkin spice, and it's a delicious thing.
I really like it because it's got that proper brownie density, but it isn't like outrageously sweet. But so it's like you actually get the flavours rather than just like a wash of sweetness. It's like proper nice, and it's like super interesting. You don't usually taste this sort of stuff. It's really, really good.
Pumpkin spice with everything. This recipe is absolutely banging. Perfect for Halloween, perfect for autumn. Hope you loved it.
I got a bit of spice just then.
Oh yeah, you got the spice.
Oh my god, so you definitely need to make these guys, trust me, it's so good.
Incredible. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Any other ideas for things we should cook for Halloween, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.
Peace.